Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Plus gas discount. This fantastic perk helps you save money on fuel every time you fill up. You can enjoy at least 10 cents off per gallon at over 14,000 convenient locations. This significant saving can quickly add up, making your membership even more valuable for daily driving. It is a straightforward way to reduce your household expenses with ease. Finding an eligible station is simple using your Walmart Plus app. Open the app and navigate to the fuel discount section. A map will instantly appear, showing all the participating stations near you. You will easily spot locations such as Exxon, Mobil, and Murphy USA, among thousands of others. Just tap on a station to get directions and check its current gas prices, ensuring a smooth stop. Once you arrive at a participating station, park your car and open the Walmart Plus app. Select Save on Fuel and then choose your pump number directly in the app. This action links your membership discount to that specific pump. After that, you can proceed to select your payment method, either through the app or directly at the pump as usual. It is a seamless process designed for your convenience. To truly maximize your savings, make using the Walmart Plus gas discount a regular habit. Before heading to the pump, take a quick look at the app for any extra member-exclusive promotions. These can sometimes combine with your existing discount for even greater savings. Remember, this benefit applies to everyone on your Walmart Plus account, so every driver in your household can enjoy the savings. It is a smart way to keep more money in your pocket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.